It's a microband skin tag remover. So what you do is you have like you have a little skin tag, one of those skin tags are sitting out, and it has the dimensions for what size tag. You don't want to do them too big, but you got those little ones. And I think there's 10, treats up to 10 skin tags. So there's 10 rubber bands. How it works is, say like my thumb's a skin tag. It puts,
let's not say that.
You put a rubber band around it, and that rubber band squeezes off the blood supply to that skin tag, and then that will just fall off, and it'll just seal it over. So it takes a little bit of time for that to take place. It's non-painful. You don't feel anything. Feel a little bit at the first moment, but then it just stops. So that is a common way. Other elements have been treated in the past, and now they've got this automatic skin tag remover for you to be able to do it at home. It's very simple. You can see the 3 pictures on the back there. It's just as I was describing. Picture 1, place the rubber band. Picture 1 replaces put the rubber band on it. Then over a period of time, it'll cut off the blood supply. That'll just then drop off with the rubber band. Just wash
it looks like there's 10 little micro bands. I don't want to open this because they're really, really tiny. I don't know if you can see them, but it looks like there's actually 10 of them in here.
There's 10. There is 10.
So, So you've got this whole pack, and you can do several of them.
Yep, and you got 10 cleaning swabs in there as well to just you clean the area first, then attach the rubber band on the loader. It pops over, and the rubber band, it goes up onto this section, and then you push it down, and he just pops over the top. So very good.
No freezing or burning. Designed for easy use for small to medium tags. They do have another one if you want. If you have large tags, they have another one for a bigger. It's a bigger band. So if you do have a larger ones, you can choose that.